Welcome back to the channel. Today, we aren't just looking at a new release. We are looking at a shift in the global power dynamic of the automotive world. Forget everything you knew about off-roading. This is the 2026 Toyota Overlord 8x8. It is part high-end penthouse, part tactical heavy lifter, and entirely unstoppable. Toyota didn't just build a truck. They built a monument to engineering that makes the rest of the market look like they're playing in a sandbox. The exterior of the Overlord is a masterclass in industrial intimidation. It's a massive 8-wheeled fortress draped in a tungsten satin ballistic finish that feels more aerospace than automotive. Every line is sharp, purposeful, and rugged. You've got a reinforced exoskeleton, integrated winch points that could pull a literal building, and a modular roof system capable of housing a scout drone or a full solar array. Step inside the cabin, and the Overlord name takes on a new meaning. The interior is a sanctuary of digital luxury and tactical precision. You're surrounded by open-pore walnut trim and grade-A aniline leather. But the center stage is the Command Bridge, a wraparound 48-inch OLED display that manages everything from your 360-degree thermal cameras to your satellite uplink. It feels less like a dashboard and more like the cockpit of a private jet. Under the hood, Toyota has engineered a beast that defies physics. The Overlord is powered by a massive 6.0L twin-turbo V12 hybrid powertrain. We are talking about a staggering 1,100 horsepower and 1,500 lb-ft of torque. Because it's an 888, that power is distributed through an intelligent torque vectoring system that can send 100% of the drive to any single axle if the others lose grip. Now let's talk about the price of absolute sovereignty. Innovation on this scale requires a serious investment. The 2026 Overlord 888 starts at a cool $850,000 for the base Expedition trim, with the fully armored Founders Edition pushing well past $1.5 million. It's a price tag that reflects its status. This isn't a vehicle for the masses. It's a vehicle for those who intend to lead them. Safety in the Overlord goes far beyond airbags. We are talking about Toyota Guardian 2.0. This system uses LiDAR and AI to predict terrain hazards before you even see them. The chassis is a blast-resistant hull design, and the glass is multi-layered polycarbonate that can withstand high-velocity impacts. Whether you're navigating a narrow mountain pass or a chaotic urban environment, the Overlord acts as a physical shield for its occupants, ensuring that no matter what happens outside. In summary, the 2026 Toyota Overlord 8x8 is the ultimate expression of go anywhere. It is the fusion of extreme capability and unapologetic luxury. It's too big for the grocery store and too fancy for the local mud pit. But if the road ends and the world gets complicated, there is no other seat you'd rather be in. It is, quite simply, the new king of the earth. Thanks for riding along on this deep dive. If you want to see more machines that push the boundaries of what's possible, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. The future is big, it's heavy, and it has 8 wheels. We'll see you in the next one.